Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andika Nugraha. My ID number 2023 33 120 Today I will create a database using SQL. First, make sure my SQL XMPP is stored. Then open the command prompt. On the device, use type cd like that to go to the C directory. Then type cd xmpp MySQL bin MySQL bin, then enter. In the bin directory, type MySQL min root. When welcome to the bin directory, when welcome to the MariaDB appears, the SQL sign can already be used. To create a database, first type the command create database space database name. For example, here create database name equal 1 and my number ID. Yes, query OK. After that, type use database name to use the database. Use practical one. Sorry. Now database change. Here I will create a database that has 3 tables. The first table car, use the command create table space table name. Then enter the column that are in the car table. For example, create table car. With car ID use char. Car ID here use the char5 data type to store writer or number, and this 5 as a number of digits store. Next, brand use varchar and t. Varchar is different from char because the brand has a variable or different number of digits, so it uses a varchar. Next, year integer. Then year use integer because the data used is a number. Next, rental price use a decimal 10 and 2. Rental price decimal is different from integer because the data entered has a high precision value. This 10 as a number of digit and 2 as the number of digit behind a comma. Okay, query OK. Next, the second is a renter table. Create table renter. Okay, enter the column first and renter ID with char5. Next, name with varchar 30. And next, address text. Address text can actually use varchar. Why use text? Because this data type does not have input restriction. And next, phone number, we use integer because the input is a number. Query OK. Next is table transaction. Create table transaction with first column is transaction ID use char 5. Okay, next, rental date, rental date, use date typed data because the input is a date. Next, rental duration, use the integer because the input is a number in unit of day. Next, renter ID again with char 5. Renter for call for add foreign key to call column in table renter. Very okay. Next, when all tables have been created, add a primary key to each table with the command alter table space table name, add primary key name attribute. For example, alter table car, add primary key and attribute name is car ID. Add primary key car ID. Okay. Next, in table renter, add primary key renter ID, very okay, and plus a table transaction, add primary key transaction ID, very okay. When all table have a primary key, add a foreign key to call a column that is in a different table by alter table transaction, and name attribute renter ID reference table name renter and column name to be retrieved renter ID. Error. Oh, sorry. Oh, typo, sorry. References, sorry, okay. Next, row table, use dash and space table name is a car. Okay, next, dash rental, next, dash transaction. Okay, next, show all table with show tables. Okay, then next, add a new column to the transaction table. Use the alter table transaction. Add column name is a description with type data is text. Okay. So table use this transaction. Next, delete the car table with drop table comment. For example, drop car error. Drop table query. Okay, next. The car table is deleted because it is not used or linked to any tables. This simple the database, but keep the system from storing car information in a structured way. If one day the system want to know what cars have been returned, then this relation need to be added back. Thank you all for my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.